Hi, beautiful families. Welcome back to Odori's Healthy Tasty Meals. Hope you guys are doing great today. It's my pleasure to have you here. So I want to share with you this my beautiful, delicious, nutritious soup called Efo Riro. Yes, guys, this is so delicious. In fact, you will eat it and ask for more and for more. So keep watching and let me take you through the recipe. First, I want to bring you to my garden. I got my Efo Riro. I think it's spinach I use for this soup. I cut it from my garden. I just allowed them to grow that much, and I kind of got a really huge amount of spinach, and see how they are looking so fresh. I'm going to plug it and bring it back. Spinach, I'm just going to go ahead and slice it just to quickly show you how fresh and beautiful it's looking. I'm done plugging. It's quite much, guys. Maybe I'm not going to use everything. Yes, I'll just take out some that I'll be using for yam porridge or beans porridge, okay? Because it's actually really much, kind of almost, it's a full basket. So stay tuned while I slice it and bring it back. So guys, I'm done washing and slicing the spinach. This is how it's looking. So these are the other ingredients I'll be using for my Efo Riro. This is Shakki, properly washed. I'll be using the Shakki. I'll be using the beef. I'm going to cook and grill this because I want it to be a bit hardened. I'll be using one and a half size of onions. I'll be using cow skin. I just need it to be in this soup because spinach is actually very tender, so I want other things that could kind of be hard in the soup, you know, so that everything will not just be that soft. This is my pepper mix. This is my pepper mix. I already made a video on how I made this. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Please try to check it out. This is my crayfish powder I'll be using. This is my palm oil and my pepper flakes. I just love this because I just want it to have some flavor. It adds some flavor to food, which I love very well. It's optional. If you have enough pepper in your pepper mix, you might not be needing this, but you know, I don't usually add much pepper here because I just want to control the spicy nature of the food. So guys, let's get started. I'm going to season the meats and cook to softness. So these are the meats. I'm going to start seasoning. This is garlic and ginger zest. I'm going to season everything together with the Shakki cow stripes. I think that's what it's called. When the beef is soft, I'm going to take it out and allow this cow skin and the cow stripes to continue cooking. It's much I'm adding now for the, I think, Cyan pepper flakes. And lastly, the salt. So I'm going to let it cook in its own water. So this is the meat in its own water. See how more. So it gave out a lot of juice. Look at so much water it gave out. So I advise, maybe whenever I want to cook meat, I always prefer first cooking it in its own water and allowed a full absorption of the spices, the ingredients you added, to be fully absorbed. Okay. I'm going to put the meat out. here the beef is cooked, so I'm going to bring it out and grill it, then allow the cow skin and the cow stripes, like the shakki, to continue cooking for a little while. So now I want to begin making the Efo Riro sauce or stew. Yeah, just like making a stew with palm oil. Kind of heat the oil up a little bit, add the onions and all the recipes or ingredients you'll be adding to it. So this is shrimp. Sorry, I forgot to mention it, but I kind of added it to it for taste. So you go ahead and season it very well. So I'm going to leave the ingredients I used here in the description box. Feel free to check it out, and also let me know in the comment section if you have any question concerning the soup. So guys, the soup is completely done. Look at how yummy this is. Let me know in the comment section also the best let me say swallow you will prefer for this soup, please. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.